Hello, I'm Betty Ross Jacobs, and I'm delighted to welcome you to Carblessly Delicious, where you can find inspiration for healthy meal prep and nutrition for your low-carb and ketogenic lifestyle.
Hello fam, welcome back. This is Betty Ross with Carblessly Delicious. I am so excited to welcome you back here to Betty's Kitchen, where you can find inspiration on your low carb and keto friendly lifestyle. Today, what do we have cooking up? Waffles. That's right, delicious, soft, fluffy waffles that are low carb and nutritious. So if you want to know how it all comes together with this quick and easy recipe, then I invite you to keep on watching. Okay, lovely people, let's go ahead and zoom in and see exactly what we need to get everything going here. We are going to need 4 eggs, and as you see, I am using the Pasture Raised eggs. If you are on keto, you need to do the Pasture Raised eggs. 4 ounces of cream cheese. Our sweetener, and I am using Truvia. This is my go-to sweetener. This and Erythritol are my go-to sweeteners because they do not raise your blood sugar. Then we also have our baking powder, and you can look in the description below to get the exact measurements. We have our vanilla extract. We have 4 tablespoons of our coconut flour. We have our butter, our Kerrygold pure Irish butter. Of course, we have our sugar-free syrup, our non-stick spray. I choose to use the olive oil, and of course we're going to need our lovely waffle skillet. And there you have it. And that's it, everyone. Simple, right? Just a few simple ingredients that you probably have lying around the house. So without further delay, let's go ahead and get these waffles started. personally thank each of you for tuning in with me today and sticking to the end of this video. If this is your first time tuning in, I'd like to extend a warm welcome to invite you to join our family. On Tuesdays, we have Tasty Tuesdays, where we share low-carb sweet treats that will soothe your craving for those snacks. And then on Wednesdays, we have Weigh-In Wednesdays, just once a month, the first Wednesday of the month, so you will not obsess over your results, but it will be a way to monitor our monthly progress to make sure that we are staying on track. And then Sundays, Soul Food Sunday, where we can still follow our traditions. You know, after church, when you come home to that spread, but no longer a spread of carbs. We're going to show you how you can still follow your Sunday traditions with your soulful spread without the carbs. So I welcome you to tune in with us to become part of our family. Join our Facebook group at Carblessly Delicious, where you can interact with us. You can share your favorite low-carb recipes. And if you have not subscribed, go ahead and do it now. Hit that subscribe button and also the notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a video like this. God bless you and be in good health. I love you all.